if you're someone that's been doing kettlebell rows and you're having elbow pain, shoulder pain, or even knee pain, then you're gonna wanna stick around with this video because I made it for you and show you how to do the kettlebell row correctly to develop a stronger back, stronger lats, and eliminate the elbow, shoulder, and knee pain that is unnecessary, all right? So stick around with this video, we're gonna cover that now. So the kettlebell row is an excellent exercise for lat back development, but if you do it wrong, then you can either have shoulder injury, elbow injury, or even knee injury because you're trying to stabilize that bell and you're not set up correctly. That's the first step, is proper setup, all right? So what you're gonna do with the kettlebell setup. So you wanna make sure you have that bell. Of course, you're gonna have that bell with you, all right? Bell's by that foot, okay? You're gonna go into that runner's position, all right? So like you're gonna go for a run, all right? So left leg up, left leg arm, right, left arm up here, this leg back, all right? And this is where a lot of people just kind of pick up the bell and they start rowing, all right? Straight leg, that's incorrect. That's gonna cause knee pain in this back leg here. So what do? You get into that push-up, the runner's position, okay? And this is one of the tips here is you're going to rotate your foot out, heel up, okay? So it gives me space to row that bell, right? I'm not trying to grind here. Have that space and I'm sweeping the bell wrist to my hip just like I should. All right, you're taking this forearm on top of your leg here. All right, you're grabbing the handle here, corner of the bell here. All right, and we're not done yet though. What do we do with the shoulder? All right, I've seen people do rows and you may be one of them. Like you're pulling up and you're like, why is my shoulder hurting? You're shrugging. What you want to do is pack the shoulder. You want to row the bell, not shrug the bell. So what you do is, after you sit up in the position here, elbow on top of that knee, grab the corner of the bell here. You're going to actually shrug, yes, so that you can pack that shoulder in the socket so that you can't shrug. It's hard. You're not going to be able to shrug because it's in the socket where it should be. And then you're going to roll that. You're going to roll the bell, wrist going to your hip, elbow high, and keeping your arm by your side, all right? So your arm's coming up here. It's not rowing out here. It's sweeping by your side, all right? So how does that look when you put it all together? And of course, we have your, we have the breathing part. So once you set up here, grab that corner of the bell, shrug up, pack it. You're gonna inhale, and as you exhale, you roll the bell up, all right? And you control it down. Inhale, let the bell tap on the ground, and you roll it back up. All right, this is how it looks. You're going to put it all together here. So watch me before you practice this. So get your bell, set it up where you want it to be, right by that ankle here, all right? A little bit right by that front ankle. Runner's position, all right? Rotate that hip out, or knee out. Your heel of your foot should be up. Take your forearm of your front leg, same arm, on top of your thigh here, all right? You're gonna grab the bell by the corner, okay? Take this hand, you're gonna just squeeze into a fist, get out of the way. You're gonna shrug up, grab the corner, pack it down, all right? And then from here, you're gonna inhale. As you exhale, you roll up. Up, control it down. Control it down. Control it down. All right, so as I come each time, I'm sweeping my wrist to my hip, elbow high, and I'm controlling it down. All right? Control, slow and control. The row is a grind exercise. It's not a pull and rotate exercise. All right, that's what you're not doing. So when you're setting up the bell, when you're setting up for the row, remember, it's slow and controlled, not fast and furious. All right? So I've seen people do fast bells. They're trying to yank the bell up. If you have to yank and rotate your body, the bell's probably too heavy for you, or the weight. So set up correctly. So again, every time you set up, you go into this checklist. All right, checklist, 5 steps. Of course, put the bell you want it right by the ankle. Runner's position, step 1. Knee out, toe up or heel up, step 2. Forearm on top of your thigh, step 3. Grab that corner of the bell, all right? Shrug up, shrug down. Step 3 and 4, and then inhale and then exhale as you row up. That's step 5. Up, swing it down. Row, control it down. Row, control it down. The slower you can control it down, the more of your lats and your back you're going to train, right? So, all right, guys, that is my how to do a kettlebell row correctly video, all right? Thanks for showing up today and watching this video with me. Practice this, rewatch this video. Let me know if you have any questions in the description below. Love to help you get this kettlebell row done correctly. I'll leave a really detailed video that I did how to actually break down each step of the row. It's different than this video. It's setting it up. This is a little bit more of a quicker, shorter, condensed version. If you want the longer one, I'll leave that in the description below. Or you can check that out in the link here, all right? Otherwise, guys, if you want to, again, real quick, if you want a 5-minute full body kettlebell workout that you can do with the row, with the swing, with the other kettlebell exercises in little as 5 minutes, grab that, pick that up in the description below. Here, it's absolutely free. So you can always get a kettlebell workout in quick, in 5 minutes if you're short on time, all right? So otherwise, guys, thanks for showing up. Thanks for watching this kettlebell technique video on how to do the kettlebell row correctly. And I'll see you on the next video, guys. Train strong, get after, expect success, keep getting better every single day. That's what it's all about. Be consistent, show it for yourself. You're gonna get to those goals, guys. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video. Again, if you want that 5-minute full body kettlebell finisher, pick that up below. Otherwise, get after it. I'll see you in the next video. Train strong. Have an awesome day. All right, guys. For those that are with me for the whole live video, thanks for showing up and staying with me here. Thanks for watching this whole video, even if you're live with me now or if you're just watching the replay. Thanks for showing up, getting your full body workout in, and learning about how to do the strict push-up and the kettlebell row correctly. That's showing up for yourself and using your time wisely. You could have been watching an episode of Netflix and your hour could have been gone, all right? An hour, 20 minutes. But you showed up, did it for yourself. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Any questions about the workout we did, any questions about any of the exercises, the push-up, the row, or about training and coaching, whatever you need, I'm here to help you get better, stronger, and fitter one day at a time using the good old kettlebell, all right? So let me know if you need any help in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Train strong, get after your goals. Hey, and I'll see you for my next live, which is gonna be on next Wednesday. If you wanna know when I go live, what time that's gonna be, and you wanna know the details on that, subscribe to my channel so you know I'm going to show up live. You can join me live and prepare for that one. And if you have the time and the bell, we can knock that one out together next Wednesday, right? Otherwise, guys, train strong. Get after it. Thanks for showing up, following, and being with me through this whole video. You showed up for you. This is for you. And that's what you got to do each and every day. Do something for yourself to get fitter, stronger, and better. You're going to thank yourself later down the line, all right? So have an awesome day. Train strong. And I'll see you in the next video. Get after it.